Is the new construction home buying process different than buying a resale home? You bet it is. There are some hidden costs that you need to be aware of, so stay tuned. Hi, my name is Nora Spangler, and I am your real estate matchmaker here in beautiful Bend, Oregon. I work with Rogue Real Estate Sales and Property Management. Hey, thanks for tuning into my video today. We're going to talk about buying a new construction home. Step number 1, get pre-approved with a lender. It's just as important to know what your budget is, maybe even more important with new construction, because you're going to be enticed by all those upgrades that you can add. Step 2, choose a realtor. Now, yes, you can walk into a model home on your own, but if you don't tell them that you're already working with a realtor, you're probably going to wind up using the builder's listing agent to write your contract, and that is not necessarily the best thing for you. That agent works for the builder. So why not have someone to represent you and your interests? It doesn't cost you anything. The builder is already going to pay your realtor a commission. It's not going to cost you any more, and you're probably not going to save any money by not being represented. If you want to know about the cost of living in Bend, go ahead and check the video right there. Step number 3, check out the builder. If you've seen some communities and there's a couple different builders that you're interested in our area, you can go to COBA, C-O-B-A. That's the Central Oregon Builders Association. You can check out contractors and builders and just check them out and make sure that they do what they say and that they build quality homes. Step number 4, check out the community, not just the homes that you like, but don't forget, where are the schools? Where can you go grocery shopping? How far are you going to have to drive to work? Are there parks nearby? Is there a dog park for your dog? Just check out and make sure that the whole community fits your lifestyle and your needs. Step number 5. Here's where it can get sticky and your budget can just get busted here. We're going to talk about pricing and upgrades. Now, of course, those advertised prices, that's the base price. Honestly, I don't think anybody buys a home at the base price. You're going to want some upgrades. There are usually 2 types of upgrades you can make. The first category is called structural, and those are things like maybe choosing between a den and a 3rd or 4th bedroom. It involves construction of walls, moving things around, adding structural elements. These are going to cost you the most, and if you really need them, do them now. Don't think you're going to do this upgrade after you buy the house. The second type of upgrade is cosmetic, and you're going to learn about those options that you have in the design center, or they usually have boards displayed that will show you the packages that you can choose, which usually include the flooring, the countertops, the color of your cabinets, even the color of your walls, the type of fixtures, lighting. All those things are going to be in packages that you choose. One of the first things you should ask the builder's agent to give you is a list of what comes standard with the home. Once you know that, then you'll be able to choose wisely for any upgrades that you need. Also ask for the upgrades list with pricing. Here's just a few things that you might be surprised are not standard in most new construction. You know, in your garage, that little door that lets you get out the side to your backyard, it's called a man door. Don't ask me, I know. You can pay $1,000 or $2,000 to have that door installed. Air conditioning, window coverings, automatic garage door opener. Another upgrade might be a lot premium. So the builder has certain lots that might have a view. They might be a little larger or on the corner. Those lots are going to cost a little bit more. Be aware that most builders will request 50 to 100% of the dollar value of all those upgrades to be deposited as an additional earnest money deposit with the escrow company. Number 6, can I negotiate with the builder? You can to a certain extent, But pretty much all over the country, and especially in Central Oregon, we are in a seller's market, and that includes new construction. So builders, they can pretty much charge whatever they want, and people are going to pay it. The best negotiating tactic for new construction is not to try and bring that price down. The builder will rarely do that. However, what they are likely to do, and what they just did for one of my clients, was we asked them to throw in a really nice upgraded refrigerator, because refrigerators are not usually included. Step number 7 is the home inspection, and you really should do this. In fact, you should probably do it twice. So negotiate with your home inspector to do both of these inspections. The first one should be done after all the electrical and plumbing is in, but no drywall. That way they can see everything, the inspection will go quick, and they will catch anything at that point. It can be fixed and you can move on. Your second inspection should happen just a couple days or weeks before closing. And then your inspector will go through and just double check and make sure that anything noted on the first inspection has been fixed and that everything's working properly. I hope I haven't scared you away from buying new construction. I have sold new construction homes to first-time buyers, and it can be a great deal. Sometimes you can get more home for your money if you're careful with how you spend on the upgrades. So keep your eyes wide open when you're looking at new construction, and just be aware of all the extra fees and those upgrades which can get you. If you're considering moving to Bend or retiring in Bend, why don't you click that link below, grab my relocation guide, and it's just full of lots of helpful information.